Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. There's no box, but I picked this up off of eBay. I'm going to join eBay Anonymous shortly, but I have a little bit of a fetish for merchandise service cars. They said this was an Athearn, but I think they're full of it. I don't think this is an Athearn car. I think it's a Mantua, but I'm okay with that. I didn't pay too much money for it, but it is it's a merchandise service with the platinum and red, which is my favorite. It is definitely not an Athearn. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty freaking heavy. Let's see the weights inside. Yeah, great. So, yeah, even packed up, it has a little. It's fixable. But yeah, I'm a big Pensy guy, as you guys probably know by now, and merchandise service. I just love this paint scheme, especially with the platinum. Just really looks good. So there we go, Katie couplers. Got a nice detail under there, with the body spread a little bit. We'll figure that out. Still a good looking car. Everything's there, nothing's broken on it. So thanks for watching Jack on Tracks, and catch you later.